Game design animation at Oklahoma City University is an education for both video game design, learning game theory and strategy, as well as animation for games, animation for film and video. We've created a curriculum that is really geared towards the artist. A person could study game design in computer science and they could learn some of the programming techniques, but they could also come in and be an artist within game development. So concept art and environmental art and design and 3D modeling and animation without ever doing any programming. And that's what I think really makes us unique. We're extremely excited for our esports program. We've had a lot of success in creating events, both for the Oklahoma City area and as well as online presence for Oklahoma City University. Oklahoma City has been a huge market lately for animation and video game indie development. A lot of our students have had great opportunities to go right into the industry and start working on creating films, creating games and assets for games, augmented reality projects. So there has really been a resurgence in sort of new technologies in Oklahoma City, and I think our students are going to be on the forefront of that by being able to show what they've learned in their classes, and especially some of the higher technology that we've been teaching.